Hey, everybody. I recently had a very pleasant chat with Paul Ashton. Paul's the CEO and co owner of Birkin Cleaning Services. As well as that, he's a director of the CSSA and is the chair for their Technology and Innovations Committee. We had a very interesting chat about technology trends in the cleaning industry. And if you haven't seen the session yet, please follow the link on the left and you can catch up. During our chat, Paul was discussing the importance of software solutions for the cleaning industry. One of the critical factors he raised was software solutions being able to integrate and interact with each other, and how that was a real game changer.
In terms of not talking to each other. And I think that's where there's huge opportunity ahead for our industry, is finding systems that do speak to each other, do interact with each other, and ultimately can digest the data and actually help us as business leaders do great things with them. Because the more transparency you've got, the kind of the more, let's face it, the more intelligence, the better the decisions you can make.
At Infraspeak, we listen to what our customers and the market is telling us, and that's why we've focused on ensuring that Infraspeak is the most integrated and open solution available to cleaning and maintenance teams on the market today. Our Infraspeak platform has an open API as well as out-of-the-box integration with most popular third-party products. It makes for seamless integration with your calendar, your Gmail, your CRM, your ERP, even your accounting solution. You name it, we integrate. By streamlining the exchange and collection of data, we allow teams access to better insights and we empower them to make better decisions. If you'd like to know more, then please drop us a line.